little foxes there.
It looked like it was going to be just another long winter night in the Nevada desert. I'd eaten some chicken and tossed the bones outside my car. When I looked outside my window, I was surprised and delighted. No doubt attracted by the smell of the chicken, there was soon a fox scurrying around beside my car.
There's a little baby fox right there. You can hardly see him in the dark though, but there he is. There he goes. Surprised the light's not scaring him.
And soon there was another, and another, and another. There was an entire family of foxes right outside my car.
You got the whole family out here. Mom and Dad and the two pups. This is just too cute. Little babies. Two of them. Look at them, so cute. The whole family out there. Two little pups. Right there. Oh, too cute. What are you guys doing? Yeah. Looking for my leftovers. Where's the pups? You guys are getting bold. Little babies, there they go. Whoa. Oh, they're pretty fast. Yeah, buddy. Oh, got your little friend here too. Okay.
I went outside and sat down, seeing if I could get near the foxes. I was amazed that they let me sit so close to them, maybe 6 or 7 or 8 feet away. But maybe I shouldn't have been. I am a dog whisperer, and this was just another type of canine.
You're pretty cute. You're hanging out about 8 feet away from me, huh? You're not even worried about it. That's pretty cool. You seem pretty relaxed. Yeah. You're just chilling with me, huh?
So you want to hang out with me? Feel free to grab a seat and chill.
You're one foxy lady, I'll tell you that. Oh, you like that compliment, huh? Well, it's true. Never seen a fox quite like you. Yeah. Well, where's your mate? There you are.
Where are your babies? They're down in the den, glued to their devices? Kits these days, right? Relax, grab a seat, and lay down. I talked to them and they seemed very comfortable with me, even laying down and curling up about 6 feet away. That night, I became a fox whisperer.